Tired of wasting time and money on online businesses that never work? You need affiliate marketing for beginners. You're not alone. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're overwhelmed by tools, tactics, and conflicting advice. Find the quickest way to make money online right here. But what if someone already built 98% of the system for you? No tech, no ads, no guesswork. Just follow the steps and launch, making this the best done-for-you affiliate system available. This isn't a course. It's not some shiny new app. It's a ready-to-launch affiliate income system built for total beginners. Get the affiliate system without tech skills required. If you've tried affiliate marketing and failed, this is your shortcut. Not because you're doing more, but because you're doing the right things, making this the easiest affiliate system for 2025. You get done-for-you funnel, free expert coaching, step-by-step launch path, even if you have no experience or audience. Is affiliate marketing worth it? Only if you're set up to win. That's why total beginners are finally seeing results fast. This is the best online side hustle for 2025 and the affiliate system that actually works. Don't waste months building funnels or buying tools you'll never use. You're one link away from launching a real affiliate business. The right way. Why not use the quickest way to make money online? Click the link below to register for the free workshop that walks you through everything. No hype, just the quickest way to launch online income. For real this time.